Hi viewers, welcome to my channel Sew It Yourself. For today's project I have taken a half meter printed cotton fabric and I am going to show you how to cut the vest for 6 to 9 months baby. Length of the vest is 15 inches. Draw a straight line. Width is 8 inches. This is a 4-fold fabric. Closed side, open side. Neck is 2 inches. Shoulder is 2 inches. Armhole depth is 4.5 inches. I'm going to join these 2 points. Chest is 6.75 inches. I'm joining these 2 points. Back neck depth is 2 inches. Front neck depth is 3.5 inches. I'm joining from the armhole till the bottom. I'm drawing the armhole curve for the front and back. Mark ½ inch for shoulder slope. I'm going to cut it. Now I am going to trim the front neck and the front armhole. With this my cutting is complete. Now let's start stitching. First I am going to attach the shoulder. Using the bias tape, I am going to give the piping to neckline and the armhole. I finished the neckline. I am going to finish the armhole. I have finished attaching the piping to one side of the armhole. Similarly, I am going to finish for the other side. Neckline and the armhole stitching is complete. Now I am going to attach the sides now. Similarly, I will finish the other side. I am overlocking both the edges now. I'm folding the bottom and going to give a stitch. This is how it looks. With this, my stitching is complete. Thanks for watching.